How we doing? How we doing? Sorry, I was blowing my nose and brushing my teeth. How we doing, guys? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Little close look at what we've done. There we go, there we go. Little look-see, little look-see. We're doing the other side today. So that is the plan today, is to do the other side. Now, where are my mallets? Where are my mallets, actually? I think they're inside. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good to see you all again. It is time for some more Whakairo. What we're going to do today is, so the game plan today is, we'll do one more little touch up. So we'll go over the side that we've completed one more time. And then we'll move over to the other side. It's time to start carving out the other side now. So we're going to do that. And that is basically the plan today, okay? We want to try and smash out the face today. I want to try and get majority of the face done today. And so we can move on to the last part of it, okay? Hi everybody. Yo, thank you very much, Gitsu, for the 2 months as an Optimus Prime. Thank you very much, good sir. Good morning, good morning. How are the kind bros today? How are the kind bros today? Hope all the kind bros are good. Solar leveling hoodie, chair, Robbie, yeah, my bro. So, this hoodie here, so you can see I got a solo leveling hoodie. This was given to me by Team Power. So Team Power is like a big esports org here, but they're in Australia. They're probably the biggest one in our region. And they're always kind to me. They always send me stuff over, and you know I'm always gonna be grateful for it. So yeah, bro. So yeah, I always get like I just got the 2026 T-shirt from Power as well. So yeah, shout out to Power once again. Hi from Serbia. What's up, Kai over on Green? What's up, Blathers? Morning, brother. Yeah, so that's the battle plan today. I want to get this face done today. But we've done this side. We don't really need to do much more to this side other than little touch-ups here and there, okay? Little touch-ups. Hello? So yeah, there might be little things that I might do along the way, but other than that, our main priority is to try and get the other side done. So once again, before we move on, just gonna do a few little touch-ups here and there on this, and we can move on, okay? So that's the plan for today. That's the battle plan today. I'm gonna take some of these out too. Cheers, Robbie. Nah, you're good, bro. I'll probably give you VIP on Twitch too, my bro. Why can't I hear myself? There we go. Cheers, brother Rob. Okay. Yes, So all we're doing is just little touch-ups for this. And then we can move on. But I'm pretty happy with how this has turned out. There's genuinely nothing else we need to do other than real small detailing things. And yeah, we can rock and roll on the other side. What's up, Clout? Rolls, Resurrected, Taraskov, man, thank you very much. Emulator, Mr. Buggy, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime too, brother. We are going into winter over here, my bro. And morning to Cyberpunk as well. I've been wanting to do another Cyberpunk run, eh? I won't lie. I haven't played Cyberpunk since we done that 24-hour like couple years back now. It's been fun. I absolutely enjoyed that game. Obviously I went with Pan Am as well. How's your day been? My day's legit just starting, brother. Just dropped the kids off at school. And yeah, now we're back and now it's time to get into what we do with our day, my bro. And keep that one. Oh, take this one out actually. Yeah, done the school drop-offs, my bro. My wife's chilling with the baby. She's on night shift today. So yeah, we're good, we're good. Yeah, I want to try and get majority of this head done today. Try and get majority of it done, guys, and then we can move on. Speaking about Cyberpunk, you need to try the DLC, bro. It's perfection. Yeah, I've played it. It's the one with Idris Elba, eh? So, yeah, I just randomly started playing Cyberpunk one day. And I just said, you know what? Should we just 24-hour it? So we finished the game in like 24 hours. And we did the DLC as well. I must say though, I'm not a fan of the ending. Not a fan, man, but oh well. Like what happens to V? I was so gutted when I saw that. Yo, Chef, morning, my bro. Morning, brother. Thank you for the 72 months. How is the bro today? How is the bro today? Thank you very much for the love, my bro. Good to see you. We are back outside, my bro. Lethargic. Oh, my bro. No happy and then nice. Yes, bro. Unfortunately, eh? Unfortunately, bro. But yeah, I'll be keen to jam it again and go a different route. Because my first run was purely Pan Am focused. So yesterday was also Mother's Day too. So pretty much just chilling with my mum majority of the day and then my wife too before she had to go to work. So it was a good day. It was a good day. The bro feeling lethargic, eh? Yeah, got it. Thank you very much, Juggalotus, for the 38 months. Yeah, Juggalotus, good to see you again. Kia ora, my bro. How you been? How have you been, brother? Good to see you. Yeah, I've been struggling with games lately. Nothing's quite hitting. I've been playing a little bit of WoW Hardcore offline too. Been playing that, and the GTA server I play in is shutting down tonight, so I can't get in the server today and finish up some storylines, unfortunately. Because my wife and the baby are chilling in the living room, and I don't want to kick them out just for GTA RP. Because the server is getting updated. So yeah, I can't finish majority of my storylines that I was doing. Jay Juggalotus, thank you very much, my bro. How you been, brother? 24-year-old, you're the oldest 24-year-old you ever meet. Cheer, my bro. Never got into WoW? Don't get into it. You would stay in there. You'll be stuck. Jay Junior Ramen, long time no see, my bro. Started a Ark Ascended server like 3 weeks ago. Wait, what's Ark Ascended? Is that the dinosaur game? Bro, if that's your own server, let me know. Yeah, I've been playing Windrose as well. I've become a bit of a banana farmer. I'm trying to turn my whole settlement into a banana growing facility. Barely managed to escape RuneScape. Why don't you start playing Ark? Yeah, I probably will if it's the bros. Yeah, it's the Unreal Engine 5 remake on. Oh, okay. Do you have a website? No, I don't, brother. What's up, Reserve? How are you, brother? Thank you for the level 2 Hope Train as well, guys. Sorry, I just saw that. I just realised how the discounting... Ooh, I hear fighting. There is a woman saying, do you want to get fucking knocked out? Can you hear it? Can you hear it? On a Monday. On a Monday. I'm just glad you can't hear the N-word she's saying. Savera, thank you very much for the tier 1. I'm probably going to get clipped because of that. Oh, Broxy checking out the old domes. So, just for context, there's a gang here called Black Power, right? And they used, you know, that specific word. Yo, Bova! I personally do not use that word because, you know, we shouldn't really be using that word. Oh. You can hear banging on the wall. Now you know why I want to get my kids out of this neighborhood. Continue the yeah, my bro. Yeah, bro. I'll be king. Thank you, Bova. It was faint there. Couldn't quite make it out. Yeah, yeah. Monday morning, by the way. Jeepers. It's one way to start the week off with a bang. Brother's got big ears when he hears a fight. Bro, if it ain't someone having a fight, bro, it's the Method Man lady. If you want to understand what I mean by Method Man, basically the word, the hints of the situation is in the word meth. How are the kids? They're doing good, my bro. They're happy. They're healthy. I'm just glad they're not around to hear that bullshit, bro. Genuinely glad they're not around to hear that kind of crap. Methylated spirit. Yeah, so like even when I mentioned one morning, there was a guy that literally pulled his glass barbecue out in front of where we live and just started sparking up, and that pissed me right off. Because, you know, I don't want that shit anywhere near my kids, eh? Like, anywhere near them. And when I saw that, he was, like, I'll be honest, that guy that was doing it was lucky that I was holding the baby. And she was only 3 weeks old. Yeah, he was lucky. Because I wanted to. Yeah, all I saw was the light turn, and I looked at the end of the light, I was like, fuck off. Yeah, I knew like it was out on the street, but you know, still. Yeah, it was out on the street. They didn't know we were in the lounge, but fuck, I knew they were on the street doing that shit, so yeah, it did piss me off. Alrighty. Alright, one moment. Yeah, so all we're doing right now is just getting these little things out of the way. And then we can carry on. I need to figure out what I'm going to train today. I'm feeling back. Back is on the menu today. What's your favorite wall in your house? The insulated one. Majority of the walls in our house are not insulated, my bro. And thank goodness it's in the girls' room or in the kids' room. Yeah, our house gets pretty cold over the winter period. Unfortunately. There's some moments in winter where it's like warmer outside than inside. That's how cooked that it can be, bro. It's worse than Huntley. Never go Huntley. Oh, really? How long you spend on this one? Jeez. Not even a week, eh? Not even a week. If you check all the VODs, then you'll see maybe we have. I don't know. I know it'll be less than 20 hours. Thank goodness Auntie stopped. My gosh. So the topic over the last few days in the family has been land, and one of our grandfathers who is in one of the homesteads on my grandmother's side, where she grew up. He so we caught up with him after many years, and he was telling us just a lot of the things that some of the family members have been trying to do. So my grandfather's getting old, long story short, and some of the cousins that don't have blood ties to my grandmother have been trying to influence him to sign the rights of the land over to them. Yo, Frozen Saddle, thank you for the 6 months, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. DMG the 70s, thank you, my bro. Puff and walk the streets in Huntley. You ever see kids too? As a bit. Oh, really? Because one of my first cousins lives in Huntley. Far out. Yeah, I'll be keen to give it a jam, my bro. Jump in a Discord call and teach me how to make dinosaurs do dinosaur things. Thank you very much, Frozen Saddle. Kasufa morning, my bro. Where I stay, it's literally falling ice hailstorms. Jeez, where are you? Alaska, are you? Hello, Brox. What is your brand of scissors? I don't even have any scissors. Dubs, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my bro. I want to visit my family in NZ someday. Never been. Oh, really, Amber? Where are you right now? Greetings from Oregon, brother. Greetings, my brother. How are you? Have we got someone from next door? Aussie flag kangaroo. I love heart. Oh, that's Alaska. Sure. When in Alaska, what period of the year do you like where the sun doesn't set? Also, I don't know if anyone needs to hear this, but I watched the goats. I watched one of the goats videos yesterday. Shout out to Sir David Attenborough for turning 100 years old. Little bit of a law drop. I grew up watching a lot of Sir David Attenborough's videos, and that's where my love for animals came from. From the goat himself. I love your artwork. Thank you, Zizo. Man, I'm getting cold, eh? Oh, man. You know what's the bad thing about this hoodie? It don't have strings to tighten the hoodie. Steve Irwin. Yeah, they were the real Giga Chads back in the day. Hot take from me. I don't care, but I feel like Steve Irwin is more of a Chad than most of the guys of today. What colour do you associate with on Wednesday? Whatever shirt is clean, good sir. Whatever shirt is clean. And whatever shirt I can find, good sir. Hold up. When does I need to figure out when GTA's dropping, man. Also, I want to get some more cards, guys. I actually enjoyed doing that card break on stream, eh? It's a crisp 24 here. Lukewarm, take it at best. If chairs had names, what would your chair be called? Face. I feel you on the fam stuff. My wife's fam is doing that over here. Grandma. Yeah, bro. Yeah, so some of the cousins that have, you know, not proper blood ties to our grandmother, my great-grandmother who passed away. Yeah, they're trying to whisper in my grandfather's ear and take the land. But long story short, this was his response to them. This was my response to, you know, the cousins down the line. Basically, what he said is, you can eat shit and die. I'm putting this under a trust for everyone, not use. Yeah, I was like, oh, okay, buddy. Yeah, so those were his words. He is a very, you know, unfiltered individual. He has no filter. He'll speak his mind all the time, but he's old school, so he's gonna do that. Because unfortunately, when we went to see him too, we just found out that my great grandfather's farm got sold. Yeah, without us even knowing. Like, we went there and we saw the farm. We were like, hey, that's a new looking farm. Like, it had looked like it had been recently done up. And then, yeah, my grandfather told us, oh, nah, they sold it. I was like, fuck, they sold the farm. I can respect that, yeah, bro. I was like, holy shit, Koro, you're out of it? So he is the youngest of my grandmother. So the one who raised me for part of my life. He's like the baby of the fams. He's like 60. No, he's not 60. He's 58. No. Shit, yeah, I think so. Yeah, so my great grandfather was popping pellets for a while. Dirty old bastard. Yeah, he was popping pellets, that guy. And so yeah, he's putting great grandmother's land into a trust for all of us. And he said, if you want to build here, you can build here. It's alright. I'll still be here till, you know, I'm alive. But yeah, it was cool. It was cool to like go back and connect with a lot of my grandmother's side, because we hardly ever see them. Hardly ever see them in life, because, you know, life gets busy. And he was buzzing out seeing me again. The last time he saw me, I was 15. He was 15 the last time he saw me. He saw me and he went, whoa, you're not a fat piece of shit anymore. And I went, I see you got short like Nan, you stump. That was the first thing he said, oh, you're not a fat piece of shit anymore. Because I was always the fat grandkid. I was always the little tubber The family should share, keep it in the DNA. Yeah, he sounds hilarious. He's that uncle, or he's that grandfather. But yeah, that was part of my my mum's present I wanted to do for her too. Is take her back, because she hadn't been back for a while as well. And she just had a smile on her face all day. She had a smile on her face all day. She was happy. catching up with a lot of family members. Yeah, so it was kind of a whole day dedicated to her, which is what I wanted to do. I got family in NZ through my cousin's marriage, no blood type, but we are from Scotland. I live in Edinburgh. One of the guys down in NZ has the same name as me. Oh, Chew, my bro. You're pretty much part of the furniture, my bro. Part of the furniture, brother. Yeah, that's love right there, my bro. You'll get in, my bro. I guess the beauty of it as well is, you know, it's, you know where it is. You know where we are. Giant fish. Giant fish, giant canoe. With a little anchor at the bottom. That anchor is called Stuart. So just a little thing for you guys. So if you look at New Zealand or Aotearoa as a whole, as I like to call it, you'll see Te Ika Maui, which is the North Island. Te Ika Maui was fished up by Maui Tiki Tiki Ataranga. So you know, the demigod, one of our really, really great ancestors. So him and his brothers actually fished up the North Island, but majority of the time it was Maui. So the way it panned out, actually, Maui's older brothers had all planned to go on a fishing trip the next day without him. And they waited until Maui fell asleep so they could talk about it. But what they didn't know was Maui was awake. And he heard the whole thing. So when his brothers went to sleep, what he did, he woke up. He snuck outside and he hid in the canoe. He hid in the canoe until, you know, they set sail the next day, and he just slept in there. And when the brothers left, you know, they set sail, they went out. A couple hours later, Maui bursts out and says, "Yep, thought you could get rid of me, eh?" And yeah, to their utter surprise, seeing Maui on the canoe, they're like, you know, as older siblings do. And yeah, they ended up, there was not much they could do with how far out they were at sea. And so, yeah, they carried on. And then Maui, you know, as they were paddling, Maui said, "No, we need to go further." And they kept going and going, and they got tired, but Maui just kept paddling. Kept paddling and paddling, and then eventually they stopped and he said, "Hey, here's a good spot." So they started fishing. And so, when they started fishing, you know, they wouldn't share the bait with Maui, they wouldn't give him anything. And so what Maui did, he punched his nose. He punched his nose and put blood on the hook. And then he cast his hook out into the sea. You know, after a while, his hook kept drifting and drifting until he felt to go boom, like a thump, and he knew he had hooked something. And so what he did next, you know, testing it out, he's pulling, and he's like, "Oh, this thing ain't budging one bit." And so he started pulling harder and harder, and he noticed the sea started churning. He's like, what is this? What do I have on the end of my hook, you know? And as he was pulling more and more, you know, a big shadow started to loom around the canoe as it got closer, till eventually he heaved it up one more time, and then it was known as Te Ika Maui, the great fish of Maui, which is the North Island. So we fast forward to the fish finally been out of the sea, and they were standing on it, like their canoe was legit on top of the fish itself. And so Maui said to his brothers, "Don't cut into him. I'm going to look for my hook. I'll be back soon." and you know, older brothers, they are not going to listen. And so yeah, they eventually started cutting into the ika. And as when Maui found his hook, he noticed the land started to change. It turned from flesh to you know, what we see it as today. And he knew his brothers didn't listen to him, and they were cutting into the ika. Eventually, when he got there, Te Ika Maui had become what it is today. And where's the canoe? Well, if you look at the bottom of Te Ika Maui, there's this little spit of land called Te Waipounamu, or the South Island. That is the canoe of Maui, and the anchor being Stewart Island. Yeah. Inside starting a CS bench. Oh my goodness. Good luck with that, sir. Try not to spin kick your monitor. Yeah, try not to spin kick your monitor, good sir. Good work, brother. I've been following since I saw the clip and trying to get the moon back. Never stop being you. Always, my bro. Always. Like I say, the only thing I will ever change is my undergarments. Why? Because my thighs touching and they're only good for like 2 days. It's like that one section with us I never says never go to. Never go there, Simba. And I will never go there. 3 days is asking for it. Oh, all good, Frozen. Yeah, sometimes I might vary off and just share a little something as well. How did we come and spark that conversation up? See, I've already forgotten. Yeah, just sharing, my bro. Just sharing. Core TMI. Hold up. There we go. You're talented. Thank you, brother. What's up, Bruiserka? How you doing, good sir? I see a Lieutenant Custard emote. Nah, I hope the brother's been well. One thing I need to do, I will not lie, is do a catch up with everyone that I used to RP or jam with. Catch up and check up is what I should do. Hope you're doing good, Bruzeka. I want to take up carving someday, to be honest. Do it, bro. Yeah, I say do it, man. If it's something you genuinely want to do, go for it. How you been, Bruzeka? Man, I haven't seen your name in ages. Good to see you. When was the last time I RP'd with Custy? I think I did one toe job. And I just said something like, hey, can you save me? Oh, my. And he went, my? I said, oh, so that's what the Finding Nemo seagull sounds like. And he just laughed. And I just drove away. My? I miss hearing his laugh though. Ah. My family shares stories like the word of mouth folk tales about Norse kings and Cherokee princesses, the two sides of the family. Bro, that's cool. That's cool, bro. Yeah, majority of, like, that's kind of like how our ancestors did it too, my bro. It's like face to face. Obviously, Whakairo was one of them too. So Whakairo played its part in, you know, our history as well. Because it was kind of like one method we had to record our history. But in saying that too, with this specific piece, it's no one in particular. It's purely decorative. Purely decorative, my bro. Good morning there, birds. Birds are dumb. How are you doing? Shit. But yeah, pretty much Berserker trying to grow the kick channel too, my bro. Yeah, one of the coolest accents, you reckon? I don't know, eh? I don't know about that one. A moment. The big tales here are a mix-up between ancient legend and our wars of independence against the English and Romans. That sounds like ours too. Ours was against, yeah, the evil seas as well. But yeah, majority of the like land wars with our people are not taught in schools. Like anything to do with some majority of the history of my people, yeah, not taught in schools. And with the current education minister as well, she's just trying to like flush everything to do with my people out of school systems. Like everything, bro. She's flushing that shit out harder than a bloody toilet seat. You're a legend, bro. People want to subscribe and donate. You're amazing at what you do. Thank you very much, KCJP? Jeez, how do I say your name, my bro? I don't want to balk it just in case. Appreciate you, brother. Also, I want to say thank you very much to all those that have followed the YouTube channel. I think yesterday or the day before, we just hit 480k. Yeah, 480, far out. Crazy, man. But yeah, just been going ham with the uploads. I'm gonna upload a little time lapse today too of this. So I'm starting to just cut up some of the VODs of this specific piece. So we got a little bit of yeah, time-lapse carving in there. I did leave in my origin story, since people might want to watch that. I don't know if people do, but yeah, it's in there. Because I remember someone asked about that on that day about how I got started. Good old Snot Rocket, yes sir. Just trying my hardest not to get sick, my bro. Otherwise, that's a heavy ass session at the gym. Till it's gone. Now you're gone. Boom, de boom, de boom, de boom, de. Thank you very much for subbing today as well, guys. To those that are following the channels as well, thank you very, very much. Appreciate your guys' presence today. Which way's our grain going here? The other way, okay. Keep an eye on that. Yeah, man, I'm getting cold, bro. Easier nowadays. Pronounce feeling. You're good, G. You're most welcome. I still want to learn how to say it. Thank you, brother. Feeling. Appreciate you, my bro. A little bit of a roll call. Where's everyone from today? In all three streams. International roll call. Dee 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 dee. Hey, the hood chair, my bro. How are you? How's it going, brother? How's it going? Should have joined the stream earlier. We could hear some domestics. Keep it up from the UK. Cheer. Flagstaff, Arizona. It's hot, dearie. Like it's nutsack stuck to leg kind of hot, right? There was never Bogle. Only me. I'm getting cold and I've got the thickest jersey I have on. Kia ora vibes. Flagstaff is a high mountain desert with about... Oh, true. Wow, that's pretty cool. high mountain. So I like asking these kind of questions, eh? So I know what it's like where people live. Not trying to know exactly, but you know, I've never heard of Flagstaff before, so I gotta ask. Oh my god, I'm getting cold. It's getting mucka chilly, guys, mucka chilly. I guess it doesn't help that I've got Crocs with no socks on. Also from the UK. Kia ora, my bro. How close are we to our goal today? Yeah, guys, I think I really want to get some more cards, man. Doing card breaks on stream was fun, if I have to be really honest. Didn't quite get any good luck, but yeah, still fun. Still very, very fun. Yeah, I might get some more Ascended Heroes. Yeah, what's Pokemon? What cards did you get? Geez, what did we get? We didn't get anything great. Geez, I can't remember what we got. Yeah, we didn't get anything too breathtaking. Unfortunately. That, you know, I never really liked Mega Dragonite, but it's kind of growing on me now. I do have, I did get gifted the Pokemon game with, or the latest Pokemon game by Nintendo. Kinda keen to do a playthrough, but I know some of the megas are stuck behind a paywall, eh? Yo, Big Vic! Cheer, my bro. Long time no see, brother. Hope you're doing well. Thank you very much for the 1 year, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. It is good to see you. It is good to see you, kind sir. How are you doing? I got the one and only card I really wanted from Ascended, but I'm getting the itch again. Which card was that? The Gengar? I know a lot of people were going for the Gengar, hey? Hey, yeah, bro, yeah. Fast, eh? How time flies, my bro. How time flies. My chase card in that set is Mega Hawlucha. I love that Mega, man. It gives me Rey Mysterio vibes. One other Mega, I know it doesn't have a card on the set, but from the Pokemon game right now, is Mega Chestnut. I absolutely love that Mega, eh? Because he looks like a king and a knight. And he's got a cool cape. I'm sick but getting better. Oh, you like the flu? The man flu? Or what? The Psyduck chilling in the ocean. He looks so chilled. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I like that Mega Hawlucha card because it gives like strong luchador vibes. I love that, bro. Yeah, I love that card, bro. Hopefully we can pull it. Probably the man flu, yeah. You know what they say, ladies, if you ever got the man flu, I see you straight away. Thank you, Hicks. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my brother. I didn't make up the rules, ladies. It's just how life goes. I can feel my wife rolling her eyes somewhere. You see what they're doing? Yeah, bro. Yeah. I was hoping to get into Prodigy today, my bro. But I don't think I'll be able to. Just to kind of like close out my character's story for now. Just try and catch up with his cousin while he's in the city. I think the bro's gonna be in the city today, but I think he'll be doing a lot of CG stuff. Yeah, he'll be doing a lot of CG stuff today. Thank you very much, Rewind, for the biddies, my bro. Going down Monday and they're coming back with 4.0 next Monday. Yeah. So it's so we get to create our characters in the morning, pretty much here. So you pretty much just character creation, and then you just gotta wait after that. Yeah. So what I was gonna do was just pretend that you know, catch up with his cousin and some of his mates, and pretty much I was just going to RP that he made a canoe, like a double hull canoe, and he was gonna sail his way back home, but go through all the islands. But yeah, oh well. Yeah, my wife's home, so I don't wanna, you know. Can you get out of the lounge real quick so I can play RP? Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Thank you, Rewind. Yeah, it's been dead for the last couple of days, eh? But it was pretty cool though. Mr. K went off, man, on Kim. That was funny. Okay, which way is this going? Rami's gone for a while on holiday. Okay, yeah, so I really want to try and get the head all prepped and done today. That is the plan, alright? That is the goal for today. Get the head done. And then after that, it's just pretty much the body that we got to work on for the rest of the week. Prime time to go on holiday? Yeah, oh, I'd love to go on holiday. If I could. But that is a hard thing to do with children. But they're in school anyway, so back on the school grind for them. But I'll probably just carry on playing Windrose and some WoW Hardcore. Yo, what up, Splodes? A hot minute, good sir. How have you been? How have you been? What you been up to? Staying out of trouble, I hope. But yeah, these days I've been focusing more on just training, bro. Fuck, I've been loving it, eh? Haven't been for a run in a while, so I gotta get my A into G, get back into that mode. Oi! Yo! Chef! Wait, what? With the 100? What are you doing? That is way too much, my bro. Holy cow. If you got a gifted sub from the... What? But you should not be doing that. You should be looking after yourself. Thank you very much. If you are getting a gifted sub from the bro, please give him a thank you. My gosh. My golly gosh, my bro. Thank you very, very much. Okay, no more of that. Thank you, brother. Holy. Thank you to those that are saying thank you as well. W people. W people. Thank you. Holy shit, bro. What an absolute bloody weapon. Thank you, brother. Yeah, that's enough now. Go buy some throat lozenges or something. Thank you, bro. Oh my days. Yeah, spam some W's in the chat for the bro. If you got a gifted sub, spam some W's, give him some some Broxburg bomb, please. Holy shite. Broxburg bomb for the bro, please. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on. I want to see that whole wall covered in W's. And thank yous. There we go. Keep going, keep going. I'm cold. Thank you, brother. Damn. Thank you very much, my bro. Holy sh... Far out. That's crazy. I'm just grateful I used the discount today so you're not using too much. Oh my days, bro. Thank you, brother. Straight up. Oh my. Thank you very, very much, my bro. Oh, hello. Hey! Are you getting cabin fever? Hey! 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 Oh, hello. Here. Hey! Little. Papa doing the work. Papa doing some money. If you're already on, they will. Oh, hello. Hi. Ah. Hi. Kitty. Ma. Have I? Go hello. Go thank you, chef. Thank you. Yeah, she's warm. What? No. Yay, Pucky Pucky. Pucky Pucky. Pucky Pucky. No? Hey, Pucky Pucky. Yay! 100. Oh, what the hell? that's yours. I think that's for you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, yay! Yay me! Thank you, Chef, for the $100 dono, my bro. I already have baby fever. This is making it worse. Oh. Yeah, are you laughing because you got baby fever? Hey. Kati kata kata kui. Leave your head. What? Yeah? I know you don't want to walk. Come here. Ah, don't touch that mess. Hello. Thank you very much, Chef, for the 100 gifted and the $100, my bro. I think that's yours. I'll give it to you for you. You go, Mama? You go, Mama, now? Okay. Look, there's some birds at the front. Bye. Thank you, bro. Straight up. Mocha OCE. Oh, hot coffee would be great right about now. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Once again, brother Chef, thank you for the 100 gifted and the $100, bro. I'm probably gonna give that to the baby, bro. For like baby stuff. Since it looked like it was for her. Thank you, bro. Put that towards her. The quick brown fox jumped over the leaves. Is it true that the quick brown fox thingy uses every word in the alphabet? Oh, every letter. Oh, every word. It's got corrected from the sideline. Woo. Every letter, alright. What? Who's Mavis Beacon? I don't know who that is. Did she make that up? How am I supposed to know that? Thank you, brother. Yeah, we were gonna get her some gum boots, so she can go and play in the leaves at the park. That's the plan this week.
Bloody skull and shield extend. What does a bug bring on holiday? Buggage.
What does a bug bring on holiday? Buggage. Oh. Thank you very much, bloody. Not been around for a long time. Wanted to show some. Bro, it's all good, my bro. You know me and the way I roll, brother. You know, not everyone's gonna be here. You just show up when you can. You just show up when you can. But I hope you're looking after yourself most of all, my bro. Other than, you know, the man flu. Once again, ladies, if a lady ever got the man flu, I see you straight away. I see you straight away. Clip it and ship it too. That's just how the world works sometimes. I didn't make the rules. Been obsessed. Oh, you been jamming, bro? I have lost 26 kg since Jan. Nice, brother. Yeah, I've been on a health vibe too, my bro, since October. I was 146. And now at the moment I'm sitting at 119. Yeah, 119, my bro. Still got a lot more to lose. But you know, it's been fun, and I've really been enjoying myself too. Been enjoying myself with the healthy eating, although I did vary off just for the weekend. I had a custard tart and it was amazing. That's the first time in my whole 34 years of living I've ever had a custard tart, and holy cow. I can't wait for the next cheat day so I can have a custard tart again. Bro, they're so yum. Yeah, to the custard lords out there, I'm sorry I was late to the party. But I am a fan. Work, especially cardio. Yeah, me too, bro. So I've been trying to focus more on functional movements and cardio, obviously, with running as well. Been really enjoying running. Like, I still do weights here in majority of the time, but I think in life what I really want to prioritize now is cardio. Especially with, you know, little ones, eh? I want to keep up with them. Especially my second girl, because she's like the sporty one. And yeah, her jiu-jitsu is starting to pick up for her now. She's starting to find that dog in her in the spas now. Which I'm very happy about. Because she pretty much just said, like, in the sparring, Dad, what do I do? Like, do I just roll with them? I was like, yeah, but do it like you used to do with your sister and just maul them. And yeah, she is mauling majority of the boys. All good, Robbie. All good, my bro. I'll see you next time, eh? And yeah, you got a VIP on Twitch now, my bro. Congrats. Congrats. Big Rob. Have we also passed the 2-hour mark on Twitch yet, guys? That's also my indicator when we bring TikTok into the mix as well. Usually 2 hours in, then I'll spark up the phone. Why? Because it's on the charger. I'm shocking with charging my phone, man. All good, my bro. Hey. Okay, one moment, chat. The kid's doing a leaf starfish. Yeah, so I might it's been 1 hour 20. Okay, we'll carry on. Yeah, I'll start looking for some more cards too, guys. I'm not gonna go absolutely crazy, but I'll probably try and get a few. I know there's some here in Rotorua in town, so I might get some of those. Yeah, if you didn't know too, guys, I had a bit of a run-in with a scalper as well. Yo, thank you very much, 8 Thunder, for saying thank you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Okay. Where are we? How are you doing, Adi? I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. Although, you know, it is a bit cold today. But it just comes with the weight loss, I guess. But I'm good, brother. I'm good. Another day, another notch, my bro. Get these carvings done. Yeah, so I want to aim for getting this done this week. Get this done this week, Whānau. Then we can get back to the bros carving. So that's my battle plan for this. Get it done this week, and then the bro will come pick it up. Payment wise, I'm probably going to ask him just to pay me in timber and a bit of, you know, coin here and there. Loving the content, beautiful carving. Thank you, 8. Do you make hook necklaces? Not really, brother. Not really. I have carved the hook though, but it's already packed up and ready to send off. Just gotta wait for those tariffs, man. Those goddamn tariffs. I'm glad it was easy to send to the EU though. A little bit of lore for you guys. Chef was the first person to receive a ponamu from me as a streamer. What is a ponamu? Greenstone or nephrite jade. Go. Yo, what up, Chris? Good morning, my bro. Be here. Great to be here. This is what we're gonna do. I have to turn this around, okay? Because there's some angles from this side that I need to hit. Let me just turn this bad boy around. Two. It's just some angles that I need to hit from this side, and then we can carry on. Alright. Oh look, you can see how designed the other side is. Yes sir. So you can kind of see genuinely on the side that's completed what, a bit wobbly on this side, eh? What we've done. And what we're going to do basically. Jeez, this shit's wobbly as hell, eh? Guess it's not on the solid side. I got in Hawaii. The first one I got was a scam. The guy said it carved it, and I found out it was the same exact one. Oh nah, not those ones. Not a fan of that, I won't lie. Oh gosh, I'm switching this around. The wobbliness is just not it. Okay. Yeah, so I'll just what we'll do is just make sure we get majority of the mouth done. Get majority of the mouth done, and then carry on from there. Once again, guys, I may do an extra bit of time over on the green site today as well, as I'm trying to grow that platform too. But I will hit our hours here first. We'll hit our hours first, and then we'll go to from there. Legit one after the other. True would love you to do. Yeah, bro. So once once I've kind of smashed everything out, then could be an avenue that we could do. Make a bit of a tong, is what we call them. I like to cha-cha, ay, in a Latin bar, yeah. Oh, sorry guys. Where did the Dominican I like to cha-cha, ay. Smash this out, and then so after we get all the ridges done, last thing we kind of need to do is put all our check cuts in, and then put all the notches in too. So if you look at the completed side, you'll see sections within the main cuts that looks like legs or feet. So these here, these represent the feet of a pukeko, which is a blue swamp hen. So kind of talks about the story of the pukeko, how it was climbing the heavens to look for its wings, basically. So it was took one step, it would bite down, take another step, bite down. So they're kind of like that, so you see the bite marks in between the ridges and the legs themselves as well. Hey, amen! Thank you very much for the follow and your kind words too, my brother. Hello. Welcome through to the stream, good sir. My name is Brox. I am a traditional Maori woodcarver. And I've been carving since the age of 12, my bro. Introduced to the art form by my uncle at the age of 12, and now I'm 34. I know makers and crafting ain't really a big thing on Kick, but we'll do our best. One moment. There we go. So I've missed, if you see it, you didn't make... Yeah, I do make smaller stuff, my bro. Sorry about that, sorry about that. Just making sure I get everything. Hello? Uh-oh. Hey. Hey. This way. This way. Hey. Hello? Did you have fun? Hey? Bite too? Coucou. Hippo. Come on. Never net. Kakite. 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 Mwah. That looks dope. Thank you very much, brother. Baby's off for her afternoon nap. Yeah, so the plan is to have this done this week. So there may be some moments where I may get lost in the sauce, okay? Where I kind of just zone out and carve. Just want to apologize in advance, okay? You just want to apologize in advance, alright? Let me just get this last section out of the way, and then we'll get all the little stuff done. You just gotta get all the little stuff done, and then we'll see where we are from there. Then I'll probably give it the one over again, as you know I do. Look over the piece one more time, see if there's any touch-ups that need to be made. Or if we're good, then we carry on. Where can I purchase something? I don't have an online shop. I prefer to do stuff through Genuine Connection. I know it's not ideal on the, you know, as we all try and save for a house, but it's what I want to be known for. Someone that chooses to make, you know, a genuine connection first, as opposed to a purchase. So I'm not really taking anything on at this moment, but once I am done, I usually announce I usually announce when. But yeah, for the time being, brother, not yet. I'm sorry. Hold up. But in saying that too, though, one thing I kind of want to do is a carving giveaway. I won't lie though, I hope people don't mind, but I may set a sub goal for that. Yeah, I might set a sub goal. Oh, Tay aka Tia, thank you very much for the 10 months, my bro. Thank you, brother. Thank you very, very much for the 10 months as an Optimus Prime, my friend. Looks beautiful. Thank you. Yes, I've got a couple carvings. Like I have a bit of stock, which I can show. I don't mind. Let me go and get them. It's just like pieces I've done along the way. Okay. Yeah, so we'll do something like that. Do something like that, and we'll see what the response is. See what the response is when I announce it. I was supposed to get some carvings, eh? Sorry. Yeah, I'm thinking I'll either give one or two away. One sub only. One for everyone. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I'll do a sub only one and then one for everybody. But I think what I'll do, yeah, no, I think that could be the play. That could be the play. I'll go and get them, eh? So I'll go and get the ones I'm thinking of giving away. Let me just set this rowdy bunch up first. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, fire away. There we go. Hang on, guys. find the other one, but this is the one I might make for the subscribers. This one here. This will be the subscriber one, I think. Yeah, that'll be the subscriber only carving. But I'll put that on the base. Yeah, I'll put that on a base whānau, and then yeah, that will be the one I shall give away. Something a little light, you know, something a little light. But yeah, that'll most likely be the subscriber only carving that I'm gonna give away. Moment. Okay. So yeah, what are your thoughts on that carving whānau? Is that a good idea? Good morning, TikTok. How you guys doing? Just talking about a carving giveaway. Bit of a carving giveaway that I have been thinking about. That's where your tonga's from? Oh, Trueberry. Looks beautiful. Oh, thank you, brother. Yeah, so we're gonna... Also, I want to. So, you know, everyone has a chance. Yeah, I want to do a carving giveaway, guys. Thank you very much, Second Chance GG, for the Optimus Prime for 3 months. Thank you, brother. Much appreciated, good sir. How are you? And good morning to TikTok as well. I don't know if our TikTok stream is lagging or not. I hope it isn't. Oh, there we go. Keys, thank you very much, Cuzzy and Solo and Werner's Wonderpole, did it say? Going through a tough breakup at the moment. Any tips? Give yourself some time, brother. But as we always say, it's what you do within that time is where it's gonna count. Sitting around, you know, moping will not help, my bro. It's about, you know, you kind of got to give yourself a chance to try, you know, new things where, you know, you're not going to sit around and get stuck up there, eh? Because that's where it starts, eh? That's where the battle is for all of us in this day and age, man. It's up here, not with the person in front of you. It's always upstairs, man. Because, yeah. Thank you very much for the roses, guys. But yeah, good morning, good to see everyone. Bro, I seen you on YouTube Reels. Hello, brother, how are you? Yo, Con, thank you very much for the rose. And Fabi, yeah, we've been pushing out as much YouTube Reels on my account as we can too. Been smashing that out. And it's been fun, man. It's genuinely been fun uploading content. I have edited myself, by the way, a video. It's got a little bit of it's got a little bit of a time lapse in it, but it's from the very start of this carving. It's got a little bit of time lapse in there, and I've kept some of the because someone asked about, you know, what's your origin story that day on stream, and I've kind of left that in the video too. So there's a bit of conversation in the video as well. I'll upload that after stream today. Yeah, I'll upload that today and then you can watch it. It's not the best, you know, but I'm learning. Thank you very much for saying thank you to the bro chef for your gifted, my bro. Yeah, he was a crazy man, bro. Dropped 100 gifted subs this morning or earlier, and then donated 100. But he said that was for baby, so I'm gonna give it to baby for baby stuff. When you carve, does it have a meaning? Majority of the time with some of the stuff that I do carve, it will have a meaning. For this one, however, Ollie and Bouncer, thank you very much. For this one, however, it's more of a decorative piece to acknowledge someone that's graduating from their studies. Yeah, so that's another avenue for it to Savvy and Owen Owena. Thank you very much, my bro. And HK, thank you very much. Every time I come across someone called Owen, I call them by a Maori name. Owena. Cheer, my bro. Yeah, I'm a bit, we're in the thick clothes today to try and stay warm. Thank you, Maestro. Love your work, keep it up, bro. And hey, thank you, brother. I'll show you what we're up to as well. I'll show you what we're doing. Just a few little things I'm doing on this angle at the moment. But thank you very much, TikTok, for showing up again today. Good morning. Good to see you. Hope you've had a lovely weekend. Or still having a lovely weekend. It is Monday for me. Celebrated Mother's Day yesterday with my mum and my wife. And yeah, had a little getaway for the weekend. Just going to see family that we haven't seen in many, many years. It was genuinely one of the best catch-ups I've ever had. Thank you, Jake and Lewis. Haven't seen you in a while. How you been though, brother? Looking amazing, bro. Keep it up. Thank you, Lay and Jack. Thank you very much. Where are we here? Just making sure I keep up with all 4 chats. Thank you, Jack and Brandon. And Lay. I see ya. Hey, Daddy, are you in NZ now? Where would I ever be other than my own country? Question mark. What's up, Jake? You make it sound like I was in another country, which I wasn't, by the way. Lay, thank you very much, and Jack as well, and Juan as well. What does the haka mean? The haka is the Maori posture war dance done by our ancestors, our forefathers. They went to war, and you know, by us, even in this day and age, and some international sports teams as well. So what the haka was originally used for was in times of battle, you know, to help psych the warrior up mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually before the onslaught ahead of them. Now, what it was actually used for as well was to hopefully intimidate the enemy, where they would turn around and piss off home. But 9 times out of 10, it did the complete opposite. And it just provoked the other side where they, you know, where the battle took place anyway. And so, there are many different variations of the haka in our culture. We have some haka with set actions, some without set actions. Some done with weapons, some done without weapons. Some led by the men, some led by the women too. Now in our culture, our ladies are warriors as well. Enoch and Brandon and Lay, thank you very much. So even in the modern day today, you know, we have many different haka that talk about many different not projects, many different things that have happened in our culture too. And the main one being is, you know, whakamomori. Te mate whakamomori. What is that? It's when, you know, a person takes their own life, basically. That's a real big thing amongst our people at the moment. Along with, you know, the three dickheads that are trying to run the country, but they're running it into the ground. Chubbs, thank you very much for the rose. And is that Koa and Bronson? Thank you very much. What's the haps? What's up, Jack? The haps today is to hopefully get this face done. That's what I'm wanting to get done today, my bro, is this face. Get this face done today so we can move on. So we can move on, my bro. Thank you very much, Brandon. Finally caught your live. What's up, Whiskey? How are you? How long will it take? If I did this offline, so if I did this offline, I would have finished it the day I started pretty much online. Yes, it does take longer, but main reason for that is a good reason, is because I want to explain to everyone that's watching what I'm up to, okay? I don't want to leave you guessing while I, you know, do this. I'd rather explain, give a little bit of an insight as well, to help everyone that's watching have a better understanding. So all I'm doing right now is designing. So our design is called Punga Wiri Wiri, which basically, if you translate it, means spider's web. Pretty much. And the reason why we are using this design is because the bro that asked me to do this asked if the carving can represent resilience and overcoming you know, obstacles along the way. So with this, the bro's wife is graduating from her psychology studies. So basically, with this carving, it kind of ties to her as her time as a tauira, or student. So Maori word of the day, tauira, student. So that's what we're kind of doing today, pretty much, is getting that done. Hey, what up, Kevin? When I went to Hawaii, I went to the Polynesian Culture Centre, and I love seeing the New Zealand people, the culture and the carvings. Yeah, bro, I'd love to go to the PCC one day if I was ever to go that way. Your ink have a meaning? Yes, it does. It represents my family, where I'm from, and Whakairo, Maori wood carving. I can show it in a bit. Love to see your skills, but I gotta ask, where's the next Lord of the Rings reading stream? Yes, we need to hurry up and get back onto that, eh? It's been a bit hard because my wife has started watching originals again for the 4th time in the evenings. But yes, I do want to get back into reading because we are on the Lord of the Rings books now. We finished The Hobbit not last week, I think the week before. W question? Yes, we must get back to that ASAP Rocky, my bro. I genuinely enjoyed it, eh? The reading. Shit as at some of the words though, but bro, it was actually fun. My favourite part from the book for The Hobbit was definitely the part when Bilbo is leaving and he turns around to the mountain and he says goodbye to Thorin and Philly and Killy and all of them. I was like, "Fuck, that's deep." Yeah, Skyrim music, my bro. The safest option for me to have some background ambience is while streaming on YouTube is game music, my bro. Yeah, game music majority of the time, my brother. What's going on here? Yeah, so majority of the time, bro, you will just hear yeah, a lot of game music here. Just so the VODs are safe and they don't get copyright struck and all that kind of jazz. I recognize the WoW music from time to time. Yeah, sometimes I play WoW, mix it up. WoW. Sometimes it'll be like Final Fantasy, pretty much. Thank you very much, Harris and Shaban. And Harris again for the roses. Thank you, guys. Sorry I'm not acknowledging those right now. Just getting lost in the sauce. Zips, Jingles, Tokes, thank you very much for the follow over on Grove Street. So yes, we're live on the green as well today. Live on the green. On the green, laddie. Alright. Yeah, I've been playing a little bit of Windrose as well in my free time. And also WoW Hardcore again. But I keep getting kicked out of the guild, because I can't be in the game all the time, man. So I think I'm just going to carry on jamming by myself. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? I think we'll stop for a bit, have a bit of a yarn, and carry on. We've kind of, you know, gotten majority of it out of the way. The majority of it is done. Kind of all we have to do now is you start looking over it. Thank you very much, Zerti. Kia ora. Do you come up with how the face looks? So majority of the time, bro, if you see the stuff that I do, they're all basically teachings that have been done by, you know, past carvers. A lot of our knowledge within Whakairo, my bro, is generational knowledge, so it's been passed down to the next, to the next, to the next. And that's kind of how we've preserved our culture as well through the ages. Colm, thank you very much. And the Miss, how are you doing? Geez, our chat's moving fast. Brox, do you need precision woodworking machinery? Oh, you know, precision does help no matter what kind of tool you use, in my opinion. Just, yeah, that's just my humble opinion. Chair Master. Is this the same piece from the graduation? Yeah. We're just working on the other side of the face. Working on the other side of the face, my bro. And yeah, we're just getting all the little stuff out of the way now. Majority of the cuts have been done. So we're kind of chilling, but no time to chill. Just get it done. Yeah, no time to chill. Wanna get it done, man. I'm aiming to get it done this week. That is the Poo Land. Thank you, Miss, for the Aroha, the misadventure. Thank you. What are you making? We are doing a carving for graduation, good sir. How are you? You know Moana, the character? Adrian, thank you very much for the aroha too, my bro. And Ruler. What's up, Declan? How are you, brother? Okay, let me just get these. Once again, a huge thank you to everyone for the love today. I actually want to go and get a water very soon too. Talking a lot does make you get parched quite a bit, eh? I must say, man. Crazy ass seagulls today too. Yeah, it does make you get a bit parched. Thank you very much, Kane and Zaid and Kane again. What's up, brother? Okay, I'll do these. We'll butt these out, and then I'll go and get some water. And then after that, I'll show you what we've done, like everyone. So I'll just mark out all our sections first and then I'll come back to you guys. Go. Yeah, so we're just marking out all the sections that we need to, and then we'll get those all taken care of pretty much. Go. Where are we? Skyrim music, yeah, jamming some Skyrim music at the moment, my bro. Game music is pretty much the only safe thing I can play, in my eyes, when it comes to carving on stream. Especially when you know you don't want your YouTube VODs to get absolutely nuked. Or better yet, you know, your channel. Hence the reason why, you know, I just choose to play game music majority of the time. Checking over everything, making sure everything is fine. Making sure we've cut everything out too. Minecraft music would be elite. Oh, I could play some. Do you make keys, brother? No, I don't really do keys anymore. Yeah. Definitely made me think back what it could be. Oh, true. Thank you very much, Dara and Det Raiken. Thank you very much for the aroha. And Murashia. Murashia. Okay. So I still have one more section to do here on this carving, but I'll just butt all the little things out for now, and then after that, what I'll do after that too is do the section underneath the eye, but majority of it's been done. All we really have to do is just all the notches within the lines. G'day from across the ditch. Morning, my bro. Morning, morning, morning. How are you? Okay. So I'll just do these and then I'll be back with you guys. I'll try not to take too long, okay? Have you guys seen that this is more for TikTok or everyone really. Have you guys seen there's some video going viral around TikTok at the moment. It's about a hummingbird. I need to try and find it. I need to try and find it so I can have a look. Apparently it's really deep too. I just seen everyone's been DMing me about it on TikTok as well, saying can you react to the hummingbird video. So I don't know too much about it. A hummingbird. Did you ever find a way to refund it? Twitch wouldn't take it back, unfortunately. Oh, someone's moving out. About polluting thousands of trees and flowers. I don't know. Yo, what up, Nicotune? What's up, my breather? How you doing? Messaging on all the platforms. What an absolute chad. How are we, my bro? How are we? Get these sections out of the way, and then all we have left to do are the feet. Kinda keen to get back into Overwatch, eh? Yeah, of course you can. What you making? Oh. Let's get these out of the way. Oh my gosh, it's getting bright now. The sun's out. What was your reaction to getting famous? Don't really care about it. Fame me. I'll be honest, yeah. I've never really cared for fame. There's nothing really to it. I know everyone chases it like, you know, a dog on heat, but me personally, it's not really gonna help me get this wood carved if you feel me. It's kind of the angle I look at it from is, you know, is it gonna help me finish this work? Is it gonna help me finish this carving, or am I gonna do it, kind of thing? That's, yeah, my priority will always be to get this done. What's up, White Gravy? Sorry I spelled it wrong. Chofano. Ah, you spelled it right, bro. All good. Yeah, you spelled it right. Cheer, my bro. Fooey. Flexing on me like that, huh? How are you, brother? Welcome to the kick stream, my bro. Thank you very, very much, my brother. How you been? I appreciate that, my bro. Oh my gosh, my eyes. I'm good. I'm good, brother. I'm good. Just, you know, happy to get some more progress done today, brother. As usual. My goal is to have this done this week. No more, and then no more after that. And then the bro can come and get it for his wife. Yeah, I want to have this done this week. Signed, sealed, delivered. There was never Puko. Man, that movie's pretty cool. For a kids movie too. My kids love watching it. Oi! Fluffy going puffy. Thank you very much for the 5-bomb. Holy shit, we're almost at 7. Holy sugar, honey iced tea. Thank you very much for the 5-bomb, my bro. If you did get one of those, please give a thank you. Thank you very much to, is it Sienna? For the 5 roses too. Appreciate you. Thank you very, very much, my bro. I'm almost done. So all that we have left to do on this whole side is a few sections here. Oh, 3 more things, 4 more things, and then we notch out all the legs. Thank you very much, Baka. Okay, I'll just notch these, and then we shall show. Yeah, I hope the bro loves it, eh? Little bit short notice, but hey, he's an old friend, so I got him. My lord. Sorry guys, sorry, I know. Holy locked in much. Holy locked in much, Broxy Lala. I know, Chad, I know. Muy bad. I just really want to get it done this week. Yeah, I just really want to get it done this week, man. Thank you very much once again, Fluffy. I got paid, so you are to. Hey, now you focus on you though. Go and get a shopping. Go and treat yourself to a custard tart, because I ate my first one yesterday and holy shit, it was good. It's 1 PM for me right now. Where are you, Gravy? How long is the whole piece taking? I have to count up all the time on the VODs that are posted up, my bro. At least 10, I'd say. I'd say we've done 10 hours so far. Yeah, I'd say a good 10. Thank you for saying thank you to the bro chef as well, my bro. Definitely going to try one. Yeah, bro. I've never eaten a custard tart, and yesterday I had one. The back seat is warmer. What? What in the herp is going on in there? Hey! Back to Earth Creations. Thank you very much for the raid. Hello once again. Good to see you. Thank you very much for the raid over on Kick. Hope you're doing well. Hope you got some amazing work done today. Welcome through to the stream to you and your community. I've just been kia ora to everyone that's come through as well. My name's Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, and we have just been smashing out a piece for a good friend of mine's partner who's graduating soon from her psychology studies, I believe. Amazing Amy, thank you very much for the follow. Thank you. And thank you very much, Pedro. And Only Gems Oasis for the roses. And where are we? Okay, do you follow Rugby Sevens? Yeah, the Ferns. Always follow the Black Ferns. Thank you very much once again, back to Earth. How have you been? Yeah, so we're currently carving something for a good old high school friend of mine. His wife is graduating from her psychology studies. So what this piece represents as a whole, we'll start with the design. So he wanted something to represent. So he wanted a design that represents resilience. And the closest design we have to that, or the design we have to represent that, I should say, is a design we call Punga Were Were, which literally, if you translate it, means spider's web. And so this is the design that we've used. Now within this design it has another story as well, how it talks about the pukeko, or the blue swamp hen, how it climbed the heavens to look for its wings. Now, the way the pukeko would climb, it would take 2 steps, bite, then take 2 steps again, bite. So it's kind of depicted through the design here. So we have the feet, so these are the feet here, and all the notches in the middle ridge represent, you know, the bite marks pretty much. There's Mount Maunganui, and he says we were 13 hours apart. Oh, you in England? Yeah, no, that's true. He lives in the mount. He must be rich. That's where all the rich people stay. Yeah, that's in Tauranga. Yeah, it is very very flash over there, I must say. I definitely feel out of place there, that's for sure. Whenever we go over, just for a trip. Hey! Look at you, you little escape artist. Hara mai? Kei te aha koe. Hey! Vai kare! Hey! Vai kare this baby! Hey! Hi! Hello! Yeah, you're good. Hi! Hello. Oh, hello. Oh, look, these one of Whippy's emotes. Oh, hi. This is baby number 3. Hey. Hey. She turned 1 2 weeks ago now. Hey. Tai tokui nai ni ni. Hey. Hey ho. Hey ho. Paki paki. Yay. Okay, yay. Papa's trying to come. Papa trying to do a mahi. She's the daddy's girl out of the 3. Hey. Hey. Papa trying to do a work. Yeah, Papa's trying to work. Yeah, so can you go back inside? Can I take you back inside? One moment, guys. Man, kids are hard to ditch, eh? Sorry about that, guys. What happened? Bro, you all got no souls. What happened? Can someone give me the TLDR? Sorry, Moxie. Sorry about that, guys. Have you ever been out of New Zealand? Yeah, a couple times. So I've been to Australia, Sydney and Melbourne. Been to Melbourne twice, Sydney once. Then went to Las Vegas. And then went to Anaheim for BlizzCon. BlizzCon and TwitchCon when it was in Vegas. Am I getting botted? Am I? Logan, thank you very much for the... Oh, I see what you mean by botted. The porno bots that only do emojis. Yeah, we get like the odd porno bot now and again, eh? And they only use emojis. There's one right there. What an absolute grundle chode. I don't know the satisfaction they get out of it, but we all know it's a grown-ass man. He probably looked like that overpowered warrior in South Park. We all know the guy. We all know the guy here, the overpowered warrior in the World of Warcraft episode. And he sits on his table like this. We know, we know. Got the bald spot on the top. He got the power glove on. Hey. You think we don't know? We know. Now why am I crying? Hey, we see them. We see them, we roast them. Thank you very much for the hat, my bro. Love hearing a bit of your music for the first thing in the morning. Nice. Let's take a nap together. My wife will literally shatter your jaw and I will laugh. I'd tell her to do it again, to be honest. But we all know you're a man, alright? Just like that one scene, Austin Powers' second movie, scene 14. It's a man, baby. It's a man, baby, yeah. Judo chop, bang. Okay, just checking everything, checking everything, checking everything. Well, be. Oh, Ventura Pit Detective, he found Captain Wink. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Ace Ventura was a bit of an out the gate program, eh? It was, when I think of Ace Ventura, man, I think of that one rhino scene, bro. Thank you, Taste. Thank you, brother. That one rhino scene, bro. Holy. Bro, never change. Never will, brother. Never will. I don't really plan to. Oh, the only thing I plan to change is the stomach. Getting hot in these rhinos. Yeah, bro. I remember seeing that for the first time, the rhino scene, thinking, what the fuck are we watching right now? I was like, Uncle, what's this movie? It's a bit weird. I just remember him saying, never disrespect Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. It's like, Uncle, why is he crawling out of that rhino's bum? And I'm just out here like, can we just watch Zoids instead? Like a Zero is way better. Yo, Reese, what's up, brother? Thank you very much, Drizzy, for the roses. And Drizzy again. Yo, thank you. Drizzy. Like a glove. Like a glove is crazy. Give us a close-up. Yeah, I'm just doing a few more sections in and I'll give you a close-up, brother. Like a glove. Cannot deny how funny Jim Carrey is, eh? Cannot deny that, man. He is too funny, bro. Wonder what he's doing nowadays. Last movie I saw with Jim Carrey was Sonic. I think Sonic was the last movie. Also, I watched the news for the first time last night in a while. Apparently there's another 6 strand going around. What's the deal with that? Hasn't he retired? Oh, has he? I actually don't know. Yeah, I actually genuinely don't know. Love your craft. Thank you, Jason Ortiz. Thank you, brother. In Cartel. What's up, brother? Jamie, thank you very much for the 7 roses. Oh, true, he's retired. Mind you, I feel like he'd be pretty set, right? Does he have kids? I would assume he's a bit of a private person, eh? It's like any other person in the world. I will go real slow with it. It's our first time. Okay, I'll give you a close up, eh? Give you a close up. Them infected walking trees. Love you, my guy. Appreciate you, my brother. How'd you want everything? No. What's up, OG Rocky? Sabuzo. How you, my brother? I have a bottle of wine. Wine is cringe. Drink beer. Get it stuck in your mouth. That's all we've done so far, okay? Just showing the other platforms first, and then it'll come up to TikTok. Drink wine. Ooh. Drink water, you nasty. That's all I've done so far, okay? Yo, what's up, Dante? So we're just doing the other side now. Where do you get your clamps from? Bunnings. They just said Bunnings. AEG Super Clamp is what, Super Jaws is what you're looking for. Yeah, just go check out Bunnings, or maybe Mitre 10 Mega, but yeah, majority of mine, yeah, I get from Bunnings, pretty much. Gotta go Bunnings, there it is. Do you believe in love at first sight, or should I walk away? No, don't walk, run. You're not wanted here. Bot ass. Don't walk, run. Sprint at full capacity. Think he came back specifically for Sonic. I could be wrong. True. Okay. Do you post final results some of the year? TikTok, Twitch, YouTube. You're in the right place. So yeah, just once we get there. It's getting late, don't you think? It's 11:26 AM for me. It's getting late for you, so maybe you should pissy offy. Didn't you play League back then? I had a game of League last night, but I was playing ARAM Mayhem. Who was I playing? I can't even remember who I played. Jeez. I'm kinda gutted though I didn't give ranked a go. Just because Brom was getting the skin, and Brom's one of my favorite champions in the game. So he got the victorious skin. But yeah, Brom, Galio is another favorite of mine. I've liked Galio since he was all arms and no legs. Who else? And Volibear. Those are my three favorites. If I in no order. Oh, and Ornn. I play Ornn because he's a craftsman as well. So I thought it would be pretty cool if a craftsman was playing as a craftsman in a game that is very salty. Kind of made a lot of sense to me to pick up Ornn. Man, the bots are out in force today. Alright, chat, we all know they're men, alright? Let's not get it twisted. We all know they're men. Thank you, Son and Tom. It's crazy though, you block one and then they just instantly make another profile. Yo, Freddy! Thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Thank you, Big Fred, and Tom for the roses, and Son for the rose too. Thank you for the raid, Calvin, over on Twitch as well. Thank you, brethren. Thank you, my brother. I've been trying to find you for so long. Hello, Lucas. How are you, brother? Well, you found me now. How are you? You found me, laddie. I need to find my pencil. I think the earth has absorbed my pencil, guys. No good, huh? Do you sell your work online? I do. Thank you very much, Alex. I've been watching you since someone hosted you many years ago. Who was that again on Twitch, by the way? Oh, there have been many, my friend. If we're talking years ago, yeah, there's been a few, my bro. That's a hard one, my brother. And I will go real. This looks amazing. Thank you. I'm paying $5,000 to the first. Oh my gosh. I'm good. I'm good, big dog. Have a good day. My bones are getting cold again. Yeah, G, I want to try and get into the server today. Just close up the story. say goodbye to a couple characters in the server. I've got an idea of what I want to do. You know, I don't know if there's going to be a time skip. Is there going to be a time skip? Thank you, brother Ethan. Appreciate the kind words, my brother. Unknown and Asri, thank you very much for the roses too. Kia ora. Yeah, I'm not sure if there is going to be a time skip or not on GTA RP. Could be. Could be. Yo, what's up, B-Name? I'm doing good, brother. Been pretty busy. It's been a pretty busy couple of days, my bro, but in a good way. In a good way. Yeah, I've suddenly got the itch to get into breaks, my bro. I absolutely enjoyed it. I want to play that Pokemon game that I got too. Yeah, I don't know, I've just been in a real good Pokemon mood lately. And since my kids are getting into it too, it's kind of got me back into it. I do want to get some more carving emotes too. I just don't know what to get. That's why I hardly ever get emotes, because I don't know what ones to get. In terms of like expressions or what. Is this Skyrim music? Yes, it is. Good. Said Bantu. Thank you very much for the manawa, my bro. How many different carving tools do you use? It all kind of depends. What's up, Logic? How are you, my brother? Shibuyo. Thank you very much for the follow. Hope this helps. Hey, Nari. Thank you very, very much. Yeah, I'm trying my hardest without trying to be that guy too much. How are you? Sorry, I just missed that. I'm trying to keep up with so many chats. Oh my gosh, what the Halliburton? What a huge raid! My gosh, I've never been raided by that much people on here before. Thank you, Nari. I need to give you a follow. What do you stream? I'm so sorry, I missed that. I get lost in my work so much. Oh, you do ASMR? Oh, okay. Damn. I'm doing the wrong thing. I need to do ASMR too. But mind you, my ASMR on this channel is a lot of this. You do spy? Okay, I understand that. Well, thank you very much for the love. Damn. Woodwork, yeah, pretty much. So the idea I've had to do an ASMR video for YouTube is to go out in the middle of nowhere just with a mic and just shoot me carving from different angles out in the woods somewhere. I mean, I could consider this ASMR. I remember the first time I started streaming around, oh no, actually the first time I saw Twitch. And there was this one stream I saw on the front page and I was like, why does their mic have ears on it? Yeah. Pardon? Yeah. Okay, quick. Yeah, I remember seeing a streamer and the mic had ears on it and they were playing with the lobes. I was like, what am I watching? What's this? And might I say, like, hey, I ain't gonna, if it works for you, it works for you. They had like 10,000 people in there listening to ear fondle sounds. So I was like, damn. This streaming stuff is something else. Yeah, that was the first time I ever opened Twitch. Little origin story there. And then I came across VTubing as well. VTubers. It's like far out there like cartoons. So it's like fresh airs to the whole platform pretty much. Thank you Mrs. Acme Decor for the really introduce myself properly. Let me just put this up. Sub Jisia. So kia ora. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. So I've been doing wood carving since the age of 12. 12 years old is when I started. And I'm 34. Yes, I'm 34 years old. Aging like fine wine. No, fine wine? No, I don't even drink. Yes, I'm 34 years old and have never come across your page. Yeah, I'm still fairly new to streaming on Kick. But yeah, we got verified and everything, and just streaming as much as I can and seeing if I can achieve those goals, those partner goals. It's hard for me to like ask for stuff here, so I just stream anyway and seeing how it goes. Kind of leave it to fate. But yeah, so I've been carving for about 22, 23 years, and it's part of my culture. It has been part of my culture for a number of generations, because we didn't really have a written language. A lot of it was face to face and through other methods that we had. Did you fast track to verification? I won't lie. I'm friends with Trainwreck. He was the first big streamer to follow me on Twitch, pretty much, and he did it. So shout out to Train. That was when Kick first opened. Yeah, when Kick first opened, he was the one that fast tracked it. But I'm that guy here. I'm that guy. I don't like using connections with my friends to get me places all the time. But for the first time, I asked him since Kick opened last week, how do we apply for like front page stuff and everything? So we'll see how that goes. What's up, Nari Boo? Gonna follow you here too. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I'll give you a follow back too. Wait, were you doing AS? Do you multi-stream as well? Man, you're slamming it. You're slamming it. Tag Kick and Kick community. Wait, is that really a thing? That's how you. Wait, really? No, while I'm on Kick. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna have like dedicated days like that too. When I do Kick when I'm Twitch. Oh yeah, I can respect that. I can respect that. Yeah, so okay, I never knew about that. I just push live and say, hi guys, I'm live everywhere. Join if you want. So yeah, my culture and my people didn't have a written form of language, and basically we had other methods to kind of record our history, and what I do nowadays is kind of one method that we have. So we have many different tribes in my culture too. So the Maori people here in New Zealand, or Aotearoa, and not every tribe carves the same. We all have our own specific tribal style too. Thank you for the roses, Milo. Kick has been showing the... Yeah, I got 1,000 kicks yesterday. And I only just found out that old mate that... what's his name? I forget the bro's name. He gifted out 1,000 kicks to people around the world. And yeah, I randomly woke up with 1,000 kicks and I just gave them to one of the bros. Yeah, he doesn't like get like much attention on Kick as well. I hope he does, you know, but he definitely gets more than I do. So I gave those free kicks that I got from Eddie to him. I won't lie, I try to give them to myself. I'm a man that will not lie about that. But yeah, I tried, yep. So I went, okay, let's give them to the bro. My bad, okay? My bad. I've only ever self-promoted my own channel. Is this the sub guy? Hey, brother. Always love your live, man. Thank you very much, my bro. True, so you can just tag them. Okay. Yeah, I don't really do questionable stuff on my stream other than, you know, touch wood. And our sounds are flat. So yeah, my on-brand slogan is I touch wood better than a gooner, okay? Touch, you know, touch wood. Literally. Yeah, that's the only slogan I have. And hey, my name's John Hollow Life. Stay blessed. I'll fire to my brother. Thank you, Milo. Thank you very much, Kian and Sam, for the roses, and just Jimmy as well. How often do you sharpen your chisels? Once a month, pretty much. But depending on what type of timber I'm working with as well. Like if it's soft, I might, you know, leave it off for a wee bit until the next project, because they're normally sharp enough to hold. But we sharpen and clean pretty much. When that's how you get noticed more, right? Okay. Might have to try and do a kick only stream sometime this week. Maybe in the evenings. Oh, you're that dude. How are you, my bro? I am that dude. Question mark. I hope it's for positive. For positive stuff. Sorry, chat. We only got wind as our background music now. My wife's just come out to say she might do a night shift, and she asked if it was okay with me just because baby's got the snivels at the moment. I just told her, yeah, all good, go for it. Your voice gives me ideas. Oh no, we got another bot back in our Twitch, on our TikTok. If you do that, you should announce it on your server or something so you can push partner and have support. Yeah, she's just got a snotty nose. But you know, you always get weary, especially when she's still so young. But she's a kid that does not like staying inside. Ever since she found out how to walk, yeah, she's been frickin' Lightning McQueen the whole time. Just trying to keep up with her bigger sisters. It's like, slow down, little one, slow down. What's up, brother Ryan? How are you, brother? Thank you very much, El Diablo, for the cats. I see you, my bro. There was never Boogle. Those words are stuck in my brain from that movie, man. It's so good. Yo, Miss Acme Decor, thank you very much for the kicks. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate the love. It might just be me, but every time I read your name, I can feel the sass. You know, you say Acme Decor, and then in the back you might see someone go, I feel the sass in the name. Thank you very much. Or even like a concert date. Now we have Miss Acme Decor. Yeah. Do you make customs for people? It depends what you mean by customs. Majority of the time I like to stay within my cultural carving. because there are those out there asking me to carve anime waifus with no clothes on. And I just tell them there's websites for that. So, yeah, don't ask me to carve no waifu, please. I should really start making a series, a content series there about, you know, the random requests I get. Not even lying, actual. The first one was Android 18. I was like, holy shit, are we the same age or something? Because I remember a lot of people had the crush on Android 18 back in the day. Yeah, trust me, it happens. It happens. Yo, Lowa, thank you very much for the follow. Oh my god, Ms. Acme is just fine there. My handle is really long and way too. I don't think it's true. Okay, now I want to know the whole name. You say that now, I don't want to know it. Yo, Nezwez, thank you very much. What's up, Just Aleja? Iggy Pasta, thank you very much for the follow on kick as well. So would that just be egg salad? I need to go to the gym before my wife goes to work then, because I want to train so I can eat a custard tart again. Just a little bit of origin story. I had a custard tart for the first time last night, and holy cow, they're good. Hello, Iggy Pasta. Welcome through to the stream, man. Thank you very much to Ruiz as well for the heart over on TikTok too. Yeah, so all we're currently doing is just getting a lot of the little things out of the way now. Like, majority of the face is done. Like, majority of the work. So yeah, my goal is to definitely get this done this week so we can move on. Streams are not really my thing, but cannot pass leaving you good wishes. Hope you are having a wonderful day. Thank you very much, Metina. Hey, all good, man. All good. I've been focusing more on short form. I'm just posting up all the clips that get done from the stream to YouTube. That's currently kind of the vibe that I'm going for right now. What's up, Toby? It's Wes. Thank you very much for the love, and Kaz as well. Hey, aloha kakahiaka. How are you, brother? How are you, my brother? Hey. Once again, Nari, I don't know if you're still here, but I want to say thank you for the huge raid. Genuinely grateful for that, Aroha. Thank you very much. Some of the best carvings you've ever seen? Oh, really? Oh, cheer, my bro. I've got some stories for you when I was a student. So at the carving school I went to, right, there's a tradition there. I don't know if they still do it. They're a bit dry up there now. But back in my day, there was a tradition. Now, if the boys caught wind that you were turning 21, you would get a specific carving, you know. You would carve a chode for you for your birthday. There was one that I was in charge of. So, I carved the eggplant on the base. We fully designed it. Instead of the leaf at the top of the eggplant, we swapped it for a helm. And then done the stalk in the shape of a droplet. So yeah, there was one birthday we put veins on it too. So vascular eggplant. Another one we did was for another bro who was trying to keep it secret. Dear Lord, that is what imagination does as a man. Another one, this one is better. So we caught wind that the bro was trying to keep his birthday hush hush. And so what we did, which involved his house, basically what we carved, just a bit of a, had a slight bend and then a bit of a hook at the bottom, and carved it up, designed it, veins and everything. We took it to his house, and we changed his door handle with that, and we got a little note that said happy birthday and hung it on, and we left it there till he got home. And we've all finished work, and then we go, see you later, bro, have a good one. We all stayed at work till he got home, and then he jumped on the group chat and he said, you bastards. Then the whole school just laughed. So yeah, there was some of the stuff we used to carve as mere lads. No, we weren't even lads, we were like grown ass men. No, we are grown ass men. But yeah, my one was pretty iconic. Yeah, it was a pretty iconic one. What a way to walk to your house. Yeah. Just a big thing with a tag that says happy birthday hanging off. Yeah, because if you kept it quiet, it gets worse. That was the golden rule back in those days. You try and keep it quiet, you get a worse one. I think the worst one, it was funny to us, but not to his parents. One of the bros, he turned 21, like we all got invited. It was a pretty ruthless one. So he used to have, I don't even know if I should say it. Yeah, I don't even know if I should say it. It's pretty out the gate. I don't even know if I should say. Yeah, never mind. I'm not gonna say. Rather not say. Sorry about that. It's too ruthless. But he thought it was funny though. You gotta say now. It's a bit harsh. Nah, it should be all good. So he was born with one ear. Okay. I think you can figure out what he got carved for his birthday. I think he can figure that out. That's all I'll say. I was like, fuck, he's a ruthless, yeah? So yeah, that's what the bird got carved. It's like, oh, fuck yeah. He's yeah, that was a bit of a ruthless one. Whether he has it or not, I do not know. I do not know. I was dancing alone, watching people below. Well, at least he has. Oh, he he actually got one surgically done though. Yeah, he got like a proper one done. Oh. There we go. Thank you, OP. Thank you, brother. Appreciate the love, brother OP. Or sis, I better say both just in case. Okay, where are we? Yeah, so what I want to do is get majority of these done. I need to go and get a pencil inside and then I'll be back, okay? I'll just go and get a pencil. Might even make a copy. Okay, I'm back. Okay, guys, I got a question for you guys. How much are walking pads? My wife's thinking of getting one. Just so she can train at home. How much are walking pads exactly? One over there. Does anyone know how much walking pads are? I feel like there'd be quite a bit, eh? Yo, Froop, thank you for the Optimus Prime, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. Appreciate the love. Okay, I need to move the camera a little bit. Yo, thank you very much to everyone on Twitch tuning in as well. Right down to the huge raid we got on Kick too. Thank you very much, Nari. I know Nari probably gone to do their thing now, but still, you know, I will say thank you. Genuinely grateful for all the love. And also all the love over on TikTok as well. Thank you very much, guys. Yo, what's up, Uchi? How are you, brother? Big Ooch. Hope you're doing good, my brother. Yeah, I want to get all these notches done at least today. All good, bro. I see you're on to another carving. Yeah. So this is just one in between, my bro. Bit of a commission for one of my old high school mates. For his wifey. She's graduating from her psychology studies soon. So just do a quick one in between and get it done. So quick little slog, my bro. Get this done and then he's gonna come pick it up. So we're almost done with the hardest part. Oi! Cruise control. Thank you very much, Big Cruise, for the galaxy, my bro. Thank you very, very much, brother. Sorry, I was just checking this out. Thank you very much, my bro. Appreciate the love. And once again, thank you very much for everyone tuning in today on all the platforms that we're on right now. 1, 2. One moment, guys. go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're making sure we get those first cuts in, and then we'll be fine. Thank you very much, Cruz. What's up, Carter? Thank you, Shian, for the roses. And the bro for the ice cube as well. Well, we have a true bro. Mean's probably got one of the coolest gifts to receive. Yeah, so it was random too, because I hadn't heard from the bro in like years. And then one of our other bros from high school, he saw me at one of the school gatherings, because our kids go to the same school, and he goes, "Oh, bro, you know, so and so's trying to get a hold of you for a carving," and I went, "Oh, yeah, here's my number." And yeah, that's kind of how it all came to be. And then pretty much after that, kind of just had a talk with him, and he wanted it to represent a few things, like resilience being the first one, and that's depicted through Punga Were Were here. And also the story that ties to Punga Were Were as well, of the Pukeko. They climb the heavens to try and find its wings. So what I'm chipping at right now is the Pukeko's legs, like its footprints kind of thing. So that's currently what I'm up to. And we've added the notches in between the rows too, so you'll see like all of these here. Those represent it like biting, taking 2 steps and then biting again. Yeah, what's up, Nimi? Hey, Marlozo, how you doing, brother? Oh, we got old bot brain back again. Let me just ban them again and block. Ban and block, ladies and gentlemen. Mute, block. There we go. Confirm. Probably one of the... Yo, thank you very much, Don Patrick and Sushi Gobbler, for the follows over on Kick as well. What's up, Sushi? This is dope. What's up, big guy? Hey, what's up, brother? Bro, that name right there making me want to have sushi for lunch, my bro. That's my food right there. Hey, welcome on through, brother. My name is Brox, my bro. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. And I've been doing this since the age of 12, my bro. Introduced to it by my uncle back in school. And then come to find out that had a natural knack for it, my bro. And so kind of pushed to the sides the dreams I had as a kid and fully pursued this. And kind of like found my calling, my bro. Grateful to have found it at, you know, a young age. And yeah, started at 12, my bro. I'm now, yeah, 34. Yeah, your boy's a bit of an old fella. So about 22 years of my life I've dedicated to improving, you know, and getting better. For me personally, I feel like I'll never master this, because, you know, you're always going to be better the next day. That's why, in my opinion, you can only improve on, you know, what aspects you follow in life. I see your work turning out perfectly. Hey, thank you, Demi. I'm same age, great backstory. Oh, true. 1991, my brother. Simpler times back then. Yeah, so it's I love my culture, my bro, and pretty much this has been a part of my culture for many, many generations, so in my eyes it was a win-win. So before I found out about Whakairo too, in my family history I'm a 4th generation carver on my grandmother's side. Oh, on my grandfather's side. On my grandmother's I'm a third or second, one of the two. I just know it's been a while since my grandmother's family tree had a carver in it. And then later on, kind of learning from my grandfather here, who's the chief of our tribe, about our family history. You know, yeah, there's a bit of weight in it, in a good way, obviously. And yeah, I take pride in it every day, brother. Is that wood? Yeah, this is timber, my bro. This timber here is called rimu. R-I-M-U is how you spell it. And not hard, not soft, something in between. We're aging like wine. Yeah, those were the simpler times where, you know, you get your ass home before the light turns on the street, or you get your ass whooped. Simpler times. I ain't gonna lie, I feel like I lived a good life in the bush, in the middle of nowhere. Lived in the bush majority of my life, and grew up with my mum. She legit solo carried me through life. Although, you know, I know who my dad is, like we've conversed here and there, but majority of my life it was my mum. My mum who raised me, and then when she got older she wanted to carry on study, like go back to studying. And then I asked if I could live with my grandparents, who raised me until I was 16, till I was ready to move. I moved out of home at 16 because I wanted to move here to go to a better school, because I felt like I wasn't getting anywhere back home education wise. And so I had asked if I could move here, just so I could make something of my life through school, pretty much, while I had the chance. Thank you, HVA, for the follow, my bro. Had to stay within radius distance, and oh, that's pretty cool. Thank you very much for the rose, my bro. I'll give you a close up soon. I'm just doing some final touches. Some final touches before we can just leave it for now. But all in all, it's looking really, really good. I kind of want to do a piece for our house too. But there's no carving in our house, like at all. Thank you very much, Terrorize, for the ice cube, my bro. Me mahi chair the coastie. Chair the cast. Hold up. So I'm making sure that some of these ridges have no pencil lines whatsoever. That's what I don't want. Any pencil whatsoever. So we cut it as close to the edge as we can. What's up, Twinkle Toes? How are you, my bro? Yeah, we just got a few more to do, guys, and then I'll give you a close up, eh? On me, baby, I don't want anyone. Oh shit, laddie, almost fell over. Yeah. Hello from Scotland. Hello, good sir. How are you? What are you working on? We are doing a carving for an old high school friend of mine. It's for his wife. It's like a graduation piece. Graduation piece. Sorry, find the board. Man's going full Big Z again, sorry. There we go. Got a little sand in the egg sac there, fella. Sorry about that. Let's move back a bit. Bros Box Man, I remember dropping into your Twitch as Aussie Lemington. That name is familiar. I remember seeing Aussie Lemington years ago. Yes, that name is familiar. How are you, bro? How are you, brother? Are you Australian? No. I live next door. What's up, Social Club? How are you, brother? How are you? Yeah, no, I'm not from Aussie, my bro. I live next door. Would I ever live in Aussie? No. Not really keen to be honest. That's as simple as it is. Oh. Okay. Well, we've got majority of this face done. We just got to do the section underneath the eye here. And look for a design for the brows too. Can say the same. Yeah, bro, I'm good. Got 3 kids now. Been married for about 2 years. Been with my wife for about 10 years. Yeah, streaming on 4 different platforms these days. And yeah, it's been good. It's been good, brother. And just trying to carry on as much as I can, pretty much. As much as I can, brother. It has been good. It has been hard at the same time, but that's just part of it, my bro. Bro, you're lagging. Oh, bloody, here we go. Yo, Twitch, can we get a exclamation point subs? How much are we on right now? I feel like we're on... may have hit 7. Crazy. We've never had that much subs in a long time. Holy hecker. 699. Oh, on the sack. Hold on, guys, let me just pop these out. They should be good. Little things, eh? Little things, man. One moment, guys. I've just broken a little section off, but let me just doctor that back. There we go. Easy. Do you only sculpt cultural pieces? Majority of the time, yes. Thank you, Delirious, for the popular. How are you, Delirious? Hope you're doing good, my brother. Yeah, majority of the time, yeah, it's the cultural stuff that I would rather be, pushing through my channel. Although, there may be the odd occasion where I might do something outside of my culture. I mean, I reckon I could do a pretty good Voltorb. I reckon. 10 years strong with the missus. Yeah, my bro. I'm grateful, to have found cross paths with someone like her and spent a very long time with her as well. She's helped me grow as a person as well, my bro. Yo, Hunter! Thank you for the 6 months in advance. You must be Mr. 700, eh? Dude, you're so cool. Yo, Jacob, I try and do my best, brother. I try. Yo, Hunter, I think you're Mr. 700, my bro. Thank you very much for being the 700th sub. Thank you very, very much, my brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, spot these out. Oh my days, I'm going against the grain. Try go this way. Here we go. These will have a close up very soon, TikTok. Oi! Thank you very much to one Azazin for the Optimus Prime as well. Thank you very much, brother. Far out. That's crazy, man. We're having a lot of mad love today on all platforms. Thank you very much to everyone for the Aroha on Twitch today. Right to YouTube. Kick as well. Far out. Kick is on fire today. And also to everyone that's watching on TikTok too. Thank you very much. I believe our TikTok stream may be lagging a bit, so I may have to finish it up. It's hard, man, because our Wi-Fi is good sometimes, then it's bad. Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe shit. Pretty much. Thank you very much, guys. Yeah, I might just finish up the TikTok stream because it's bugging right out. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Hey, what's up, Dogo? Matema Atonga de do it. Nox and Bullinator. Thank you very much for the follows. Welcome on through, guys. Welcome, welcome. My name is Brox. I'm a woodcarver. Nice to meet you as well. I'm gonna get rid of that section right there. Bam. There we go. How much do you charge for something like this? I don't know. Like, if I was to charge proper prices, yo, Vale and Cameron, thank you for the love on TikTok. How much would I charge for this? I'd probably be nice and go under, eh? Like, way under. Oh, the nice bone in my body is kicking right now. I would probably say 500 or 600. But the one that's receiving this, I'm just gonna say koha, like gift, but also can I have some of that timber you were gonna make me use for your project? Yeah, that's probably how much I would say, just to be nice. That's probably what gets in the way majority of the time is me being nice. There's the odd few that I've been, you know, had to put my foot down with, because it's muck around Z. I think I've only had like 5 people muck me around in the last 22 years of me pursuing this. It's annoying as hell, I'll say that much. Yeah, like if I wanted to, bro, I could sell something like this for 800 upward. Maybe even more. Definitely more. But yeah, majority of the time, man, it's That nice streak that always kicks in. There's probably one thing that I'd like to carve though outside of my culture right now, and it's probably a CG logo. Where are we? Yo, thank you Cheryl for the rose. Keep it going. Do you the inspo, eh? Do you the inspo? Keep it going now. Okay, we'll do. Thank you Nixel for the follow. CG logo. Oh, it's just some of the bros from GTA RP. I'll probably just do the crew logo one day when I have the free time. I'm not sure when that'll be though, but yeah, I think that's something I'd like to carve. I probably want to do something from World of Warcraft as well. I'd be keen to do something there. There's quite a number of things I could probably carve from their game. What else am I looking for right now? I've missed that one. Yeah. Big Junior meets. Yeah, that's my character's cousin. Fuck, I was hoping to be in the city today. Hoping to be in the city today so my character can say goodbye to him. I don't know if it's like a time skip thing or what. Before the new update. Is it a time skip? Try and get in the morning, create our character, and then wait till the servers open again. Don't think so. Oh, true. I knew I heard your voice before. Hey, what's up, brother? Yeah, you've probably seen me RP with the bro here and there. Obviously, I can't be in the server all the time because this is what I normally do on my stream. But I'll most likely be taking GTA RP streams to kick more. Yeah, I'll be doing more GTA RP streams there rather than on Twitch. I think the bro's live today, eh? Well, he said he was gonna maybe go live today. See if he's keen to jam some games for the coming weeks till the server's back up. The update, the environment update does look pretty cool though. The south side looks sick. With the new update. One moment, guys. There we go. Okay, how's our phone looking? Okay, TikTok, my phone's on the verge of being flat. Thank you for the follow too, my bro. I only started playing 3 weeks ago. Oh, true, my bro. Who do you play in the city, my bro? Yeah. Lucky I didn't. I remember last time last wipe I just got a R34 and then the city went down. I was like, ah, bro. Alright, TikTok, that's going to be me. I'm going to finish off the TikTok stream because my phone's getting flat. Thank you for the love today, and I'll see you all tomorrow, eh? Choo-choo. How many hours deep are we on here? Okay, I might finish up the YouTube stream too.